What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have 5 ab exercises for us to shred up our abs and get rid of stubborn belly fat. But before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button and click that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Let's get into this workout. Coming down onto the mat, we're going to be doing some crunch tuck-ins. Legs are starting on the floor, arms are starting back. You're going to tuck your body in and then extend. 2 sets for 30 seconds, so go ahead and follow along. Five-second break. Good job, give yourself a 10-second break. All right, getting into toe touches, toes come up, arms go back, go up like that, okay guys? Arms are back and then they go straight up. Arms are back, go straight up. We're gonna be doing 1 set of 30 seconds, so go ahead and follow along. Yourself a 10-second break. All right, coming up off the mat, we're going to be doing elbow to knee crunch hold. So take your opposite arm and your opposite leg and crunch in and hold. 1, 2, take it out, come back, 1, 2, take it out. Okay guys, we're going to do 1 set of 30 seconds on each side. Let's get it. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second rest. Coming back down on your mat, we're going to be doing oblique crunches. Legs are down. One arm is on the back of your head. Opposite arm to opposite leg. 1, 2, 3. Okay? We're going to be doing 30 seconds on each side. So go ahead and let's get started. All right, coming off your mat for this last exercise, we're gonna do 30 seconds spider crunch on each side. Get up into plank position, just like this, and you're going to bring your leg up. Just like that, you guys. Now, if you're a beginner and you wanna do this exercise, just take a knee, okay? Take a knee, extend your leg, bring your leg up, okay? Bring your leg up. If you can't do it in the plank position, just take a knee, okay? I don't know if you heard my back crack. Let's get it. Great job, everyone. Those are 5 exercises that you can do to really blast your abs, shred them up, and get rid of stubborn belly fat. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you're not subscribed, you know the drill. Click that subscribe button and smash that like button so more people can see this exercise. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.